What's up, y'all? Oh shit. As you can see, I'm walking down the middle of the damn creek. Dedication. Gotta try to catch something. The bite has been a little off today. I thought it was gonna be better with the rain and storms coming in tonight, but doesn't really look like it. I don't know. I've gotten a couple of bites. Lost about 3 so far, but nothing major today. So I figured, you know what? Screw it. I'm gonna leave the bank. I'm just gonna tread down the middle of the damn creek. It gets deep from time to time, but hey, it is what it is. Alligator bait, snake bait. Hey, as long as I catch a fish, I'm happy. I'm sure you would be too. So stay tuned. There he is. Number 1 for the day, finally. Already lost 2. Again, black and blue craw by Strike King. Freaking love these damn things. Not a bad little guy. All right, little fella. Let you go, buddy. Well, this is super sketchy, but I'm gonna give it a shot. All about those angles. Oh, he just snatched it. There's one. Yep. Ah, it came off. There we go. he came off right there at the bank. It was a pretty good one too. Right on the edge. Hell yeah. He's swimming towards me. What kind of bass is that? What's those kind of spots? It's really unique. Interesting. All right, little buddy. Look at those spots, man. That is so unique. If anybody knows what that is, if that's normal, or hit me up on the comments below. Well, all right then. There you go. Man, he freaking choked it. Look at that. Look at the size of that carp. That thing is monstrous. There's another one. Just a little guy. But hey, they're still biting. Well, I've lost count again. I don't even remember. It's like 5, maybe 6, with about 3 or 4 that I lost. Just another little guy. Well, the storm is getting close. You can hear that thunder and I can see the lightning off in the distance. Maybe that'll pick the bite up just a little bit more. Just before I roll out. Guess we can only hope, right? All I know is the wife's probably gonna kill me. Been gone most of the day. Well, if you can see that, I guess it's time for me to go. Looks like that sky is about to really open up. Well, until next time.